Changing the spacing between the lines of text and paragraphs in your PowerPoint presentation with the line spacing tool can make your slides easier to read. Line spacing is on the Home tab. The line spacing drop-down will let you quickly set your line spacing to 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, and 3.0. 1.0 is the default. The other values are multiples of the default, with 1.5 being 1.5 times as wide as the default, 2 being double, and so on. Pressing the line spacing button at the bottom of the drop-down will open the paragraph box and will let you change the alignment, indentation, and line spacing of text. Alignment changes the horizontal placement of text. The options are left, center, right, justified, and distributed. Here are left, center, and right. Justified adds spacing between each word so that lines of text touch the left and right margins. Justified does not affect the last line in a paragraph and looks like this. Distributed is the same as justified, except the last line is also justified and looks like this. Indentation can be a whole number or a decimal and will add indentation before text. Here are examples. I've drawn a line to show the left margin on each text box. On the right side of the indentation section is a box called Special. Special lets you indent only the first line or to add a hanging indentation. Here are examples. And lastly, spacing. The before and after options change the spacing above and below paragraphs. It can be a whole number or a decimal. Here are examples. On the right side of the spacing section is line spacing. It is a precise way to change the line spacing beyond the presets that we showed earlier. You can change the line spacing in the following ways: single, 1.5 lines, double, exactly, or multiple. Single, 1.5 lines, and double are the same as the first three presets, 1.0, 1.5, and 2.0 that were shown earlier. Exactly lets you change the space between lines using a specific point value. Here are examples. Multiple lets you add a custom multiplier to the single line spacing. When using multiple, a value of 1.5 is the same as the preset. 1.5, 2.0 is the same as the 2.0 preset, and so on. This number can be any value up to 9.99 and can include numbers smaller than 1.0. Here are examples. This has been a look at the line spacing and paragraph options in PowerPoint. By changing the spacing between the lines of text and the paragraphs in your PowerPoint presentation to make your slides easier to read.